Your Excellency President, Exim Bank can almost kwaje ampa. Me 2018 ho baby no mo de me call some kwaje bi. Omo sika bi we Exim mo de be man enti yanko. Bisa agensam no CEO no. Me am bra pe na agensam. Ono no CEO se MD Exim Bank. O de me ko obi. Mi twa kwan se no mo ye me adanko da adwe. Me checha mo. Ye de so bia ho ye. On the way na Ghana oman we etie no. Wenya kasape wenya omomba be 2 A plus ye say no we MP enti no ya member social media MP no woni me ya akoya wo de woni me say na win election na ko na ko win wo election the bia mete ha once MP for co-position no leaders no say no they be on social media for no who says social media hana action no to go position they be on mobile afi no mobile join yen ye wo hadeda yen ye wo street no so deda unim MP dia kona ko win election na kudi wo dia A plus MP e wo se ubu wo ho me mbu me ho MP pa obu no ho a me penasem da chi me yam krank metumi ayete so no Patrick Buama very nice man ono me hu na no me ni age me feel no obu no ne constituency ne da kuma fadama harder than Las Vegas and none in Las Vegas Ghana is any TSA net here after 4 years no more market after 4 years no more market come here plus am the bia meti haya what else here the bia hana meti Ghana ade bi koso wo memu ha me madam for power Ghana ha madam for amene ne chati ye din komo ye kansem so me kan me nam for mo ye me nam for Ghana ha His Excellency John Mahama Okahu obeye president NI before omo invite me so omo person omo hwehwe asem mu me madam for obeye president NI before invite me some person hwehwe asem mu say almost a national service for no muku di sika o say yes o mo di sika no akwa bi so obehu me say me menye hwe iti me nko Jomama me be ka say hey Jomama be ye president or tata me on be tata obia na before no so be so mo asem MPP for penning for na mo di aban so na amoko no ye fro say bra na be kira asem a you have to run and go and don't create an impression be say hey and Jomama ye wo opposition to tata Jomama ye madam for and I before invite me last week and I before and me back na say be some question on be bisa question be here no enti no national service for yes you be hu na den we say meeting baby na ko be hu me say person ko press conference enti den makama sama tromo o ma tromo sama mo ko say as obi a wedi o man so aba be ye pani wo man mu ha abebe kuta position police invite you have to run and go and stop creating an impression say any your position to mudi boni we am dey akotete party echi na me person me ye chairman to John Mahama time omo mudi ayi papa former education minister Dr. Ditum oye na edwuma wi CC school dan nice kama eye na education minister wi ye ya okọ position ni obi akotata no yaso wakoye ayi friends wakoji sika Oso wo diska no wo di kodua eburo jema wutumi wo asem na meka no wo nya power wo die kogina court ye court ni so mbe jail yen like they were going to jail us because now we were power ye kogina we went to face it that's how no me gina court me gina na me say enya dia mekofie they are going to jail us today we faced it. We have come out of it to become MP. Yes, that's what General Nasu. 2017, one day, CID for invited me. Time now we go CID, National Security for me. Because now CID, Satan bright to draw na CID director. Because now CID bright to draw CID director and him with all the CID couples or one grand bosses. Tiwa regional CID boss. One kwa nani pay to them one more time kwa. Hey, my head. Because my can say obi a corrupt. Me can't say be a me makodi abansika o. Me say obi a corrupt. They sent me to CID. me CID no na bia na national security hwehwɛ me na bia na for hwehwɛ me at the same time na shrage investigate me nipa baako sada na na sense we me court na so ususu esi me nipa baako I still me jam na so I still came out of all of it. I came out of it to become MP. One day I was at the CID, BNI for Heshemi, National Security for Heshemi, and yes, I made Dibono Makoka say, Obi a Dibonate, you know, the whole country was looking for me. Be a newspaper front page, be a man on the wall. I still came out of it. Police for national security for Bejina would gate a cheat. Chairma Wontumi police for national security Bejina would gate a cheat. Omo refie no mo. Omo jina gate nechi. Was a yambro adult diaper na wo yemu hwie. Yento adult diaper mrewo. Ma mie adia yemi o. Wo ti Ghana ha. Wo nuane me. Wo di en court say jail. Won say Fia Schwarzenegger wo den court ye jail but we hu prison da. The person ya chiro say o man ye ti aseasin o so wa expose o amba wu fie no mu o mu gina fie n'echi. They were standing behind the wall. One no them we ye coach MTN boss. And then hey and as you say you know we person ye national chairman sa azane trick na mo ye wo man mu ha no person ye chairman nti no mahama person o chimitum na wo chairman obedi na fa mahama ho wo ye chairman Ashanti region kura no do mahama ne ndi so mo B2 Ashanti region wo ye chairman in Ashanti region do mahama ne ndi si o mo B2 in Ashanti region na afi ya wo person o ye national chairman o musuro ana ase den obi a wo hu police wo gate echi a na wanu dem na MPP for so dem mu duabo ye kasam chairman sa monti mo who the reality ye kasam chairman monti obi a police for be gate echi a no team ona mo de ne ko chairman national chairman de ne ko di chairman for we munya power mo de power ne hu anko wakoje exim ba ye say me de me gaza wakoje ye say wakoje exim bank sika so du kodue eburo those days na exim bank sika na ba en chairman mefro bia o say de eburo na wo bia and exim bank for sika no eburo no say egwendua me de bia me fro o say bu kodue eburo o say de odue eburo enom say eburo sika me wo na wo ka ye say odue eburo o si odue eburo yes say wakoje sika no exim bank kona kwa chirim say eburo no eja ahye no enkranti awe o se ma mi mewu yento adult diaper mra na hye na wo yemu hwe o na yakubu ya Ghana ha atwas na ne ye case no NDC NPP police dina circle ne kan shi driver for the bia chi boys de bia young boys omun ya hwe yeso boy bia akoye kwakoji buroni bi sika sisi ani akochi no yese fraud boy romance wan ho ya chi omo mudamudi aban sika no original sika no we are not the politics attached me MPP ni nti me am come ho am the win 2017 election mobile power be police station kwan sa anya se bia me menye sika ni bi kredi. You have to report yourself to the police. I'm happy saying that John Mahama he's just a nice man. Maybe John Mahama ka wo be born so mama me. John Mahama is just a nice man. Yeah, Your Excellency President, Exim Bank can no mo koje ampa. Me 2018 ho baby no mo de me call 7 kwaji bi. Omo sika bi we Exim mo de be man enti yanko. Bisa agensam no CEO no me am bra pen agensam no CEO se MD Exim Bank o de me ko obi. Mi twa kwan sa se no mo ye me adanko dada adwe. Mi twa kwan sa afire me hwe adabi sika na mo ma me ahwa me lord first obesa. And I made them forget you on the better baby. Because this can mutia. As in what is yes, cool rules. But they see you into one hour CID and one hour coho. Kona quatro say, yes, Nini Omoboa. Just go. We MPP ni penny. Nay, frowa. What or mind watching them last week. And I became to interview me. I've not done anything. Me and I before me interview me. Some information they came. I gave them the information I know. Whatever I have to tell them, I told them. Enti meso do Mahama etata me ya de na film person mo de politics stage na wo de you hu afirim de pia NDC MPP say ya time na mo se by force and e bebe na like mo be whatever it takes to jail at force no eno de na munim say that mo be opposition munya power you don't you no farmer doing can power no ho what radio so na mo ye NDC for me yo mo afi na me do mo abashia me one no gbegbe me 8 years ago Bisa bright to drew. Bisa tiwa. It's also na me show. 8 years ago, na my boy be white in be me say me to na me show. Kwame plus ade me hu okrum ha. Bibia ye modem afa, mo be di aban mu 8 years. Obi esu mi bi, me court. Me say law school director. Law school, Ghana law school director. She am court back. Some say we adwuma wo ha na say dey pia mo de me court. My feel so na say be MP. O me am tell me video no. Me always na mete no. Law school director who me sando say de bia wo ha. Adan wo ye adwuma wo ha na say de bia obi de me court. De bia say ne nyina ma no. Me nkodi aban sika bi. But we am go for go di of some kind press conference na me mo on your press conference kra me nya ho problem. Indeed. Still you jina na so. Oh, your frawo police for be jina wo gate echi a wa no de mu tiatim. Ti krom ha ma no gbe. Mo nya den. Eso ma no. Mo nya den so ma no. Mo kasa gidi ya proper police frawo ka krebi na wo dwonso. Na MPP4 akofo MPP4 mo nyina mo ye menkrofo ya me feeling o but you see mo the party na hye nkwasiafo nsa say o kwa me say dia ba be MP ya mengazaza obi a wagimi tema wontumi wo me nua no me no nenam ye koye ba ya kwa ba ya chin ya koya ba ye juma ye campaign obedu power obenya power we say every plus go to prison. That guy Wontumi. He green power finish they go jail me. They carry me go court. Joe, he left small like they did. I said that morning, the magic way happened like they jail me.
Now they call people. I beg you can't. Nobody they come out.
You chop your money finish. You when you Wontumi. I was say and would the swing answer because you as Wontumi. Me as I did here right now. If you like, maybe talk, I guess some matter for. You see the place my constituency day.
Yeah.
Hey, you go see. Look from Kaswa, you go see the motorway. You go move like they say. I do live video. They go CID so make boys come. You know boys where they go come. They go come out. Hey, Accra go see. Accra go see people inside your own Kumasi will be chairman. The people where they come, they come look for you. They be 20 people they stand there. 20 I sure say then 15 they pass where they see police where they watch them. Be like 5 where they come.
I before sorry, nobody they sorry.
MPP before mo sorry o, MPP before no omada mu this gano foot soldiers na mo no mu ye adwuma mo ba power mo mo video mo sorry ko omaka just omada. Omaka just mo sorry omada.
It's a lesson to all the politicians.
Yes.
There is a
okay so omada and to mo sorry. You no get. You see every human being if you dey inside politics you have to have a constituency. When you know kasa by heart. See the kind of things which I want to see, and the kind of things where you do. If me, I get that level, I see if I come out for a crack, traffic goes. Like boys go stop because I go make sure say I have a very good relationship with people. You chop chairman for good Ashanti region, they come your house, the people they did there, they be like 20, even on 15, like 15 they pass away. Me at the stand Gomua where something happened for Gomua. You go like at their house they say police they can't catch people. You go catch like 1,000 people. Me alone. Ask the politicians where they come a constituency to come and campaign. They talk people they hold megaphones. Hey, one casa cry you busy. This place be a plus in territory. Chiefs they travel go tell them say hey this place we take give a plus. You know if you do anything about that. You did the regional chairman for be a lesson to him. You don't get anything. The radio, your mama have wife, you have children. You did TV top. Your mama, you go sleep with your maid. Now I'm a buyer and the maid, I'm here buying here with 50 and Kwasiaki company and what Baba party chairman.
And his people are sitting condoning this rubbish talk.
Nice party, MPP, nice party, nice people. You allow these few people.
Allow they destroy the party.
And you don't want us to talk.
Here's I champion to they can contest.
You see. Let me tell you something. I'm going to say me Chairma. Montana every country needs a vibrant opposition. Every country. But me if I tell you the person will tell me that Make I no join political party. Any that would decide to go parliament, make I go independent. If I tell the person will give me that advice, you go shock. The people where they up there, they look for something we go do, we go help. Most of them,
they want.
But if I tell you the person will advise me, if I talk that matter, one party will collapse for Ghana here. Say this person, everybody will talk. Say, hey. So you see, if you love your country, some certain things they know they talk. So me the day I go contest, I know say I go win. Because the people then they day my back, bro. The people then they day back from inside NDC MPP. So me, I want MPP to be strong. So say checks and balances go work, accountability go work, and you people, the young people you did the party, all my friends, Adjoa Nima, Jenny Lofta, Atik, Patrick, Niado, all of you, even people like that's my brother, what be his name? My brother self, what be his name? Ofosu, Kofi Ofosu. All of these people, vibrant young people, you people for take over the party. Take over the party and build it. Push all these people away.
Yeah.
You people did them make Wontumi if you wake up talk say they come top national chairman.
Yeah, so you can
because he grow or he do what? Kofi Ofosu you know go fit top national chairman. MPP national chairman be Apakura. Ghana here party chairman be old man.
You watch that video, this thing, the leader go sit with them. You say they were singing their song. Party na yamu kwa mudi ewu. Ejina ka hu ne bufu ne yade ate yam. Ya mate mo hofo munti asan be ka kire mo no. We are the elephant and the elephant. Munja san kwasi anyom no to san anyom no kura nye de. Mon kok hye anyom foforo. Ah hu NDC fo anyom. Into mo de krrr sa krrr mo. The man say if you wake up the children say krrr for the house.
That people say we are the elephant. Human being, you be elephant. Human being, you be elephant. Or the asempa na abu. Into just a party, no. And obi otun and nom kramun to mental.
Yeah, they don't have a song.
Why?
They don't have a national anthem for their party.
We are the elephant. Yes, elephant. This be song.
Very serious.
You they do galamsey. You they destroy our forests, our river bodies, everything. And see, me as you see me so, bro, me I talk my matter. Yeah. I go house, I go sleep. This year alone, I've met President Mahama on like 5 occasions. This year alone, ever since he became president. And see, he be very serious about stopping galamsey. Your Mahama has nothing against mining. But illegal mining, destroying water, our forests, John Mahama, I trust him that he's very serious about it. When I speak with JM, I see say JM sometimes if my friend was Santa, I fear him. Because you know something, it is smart, you know they talk me. You know say me I go talk my mind. Yeah. But I know if you enter in head and see the way they think. So let me see you though. Yes, like JM. It is slow, but he knows exactly what he wants to do. He's not joking with these things. You go destroy, be your own government will tell you, say, you want to me, you they destroy forests, you they destroy this. Me, if I get mining, I go do. Mining, what is wrong with mining? Illegal mining is the issue. Destroying forests and all.
He can get the good water and buy, but the people who are voting for you will not get water and buy.
If we go there, this country say we no go mine gold. If you go China and things, so they know they mine. We go mine for Ghana. But your government told us that you are destroying the forest. You are destroying plenty forest because you are in power. Me, I know Wontumi no be today. I say Wontumi the first time you go England, then I dey work with someone, they call Mr. Van der Poel, Ibrahi. That be the time where Wontumi come take visa. We fill the visa form for him to come take visa to travel. He said, make judge jail me. Because you get power.
Now today they cry.
Today you are crying.
They freeze all his account. You know, I like
John Mahama, they say if they freeze Wontumi account. And I was so disappointed in John Mahama and the government. They no freeze in Momo. They for freeze in Momo hard. You cannot destroy your government was not has NDC released any statement that says that Wontumi is destroying forest. This information came from when you were in power. You have destroyed the forest.
Not NDC time.
Me, the day I win election, I pick my phone. I start to call my enemies. Yeah. Charlie, what are they look for in life? I achieve them. What are they fight with you over? So me, I know they use power to intimidate people. I they go honeysuckle. Ask the boys. Friday night, a day inside, we get a Glenfiddich, we chill, I go house, I sleep. I want to be with my people. I know I make this parliament thing restrict me. No, I would still want to be with my because every 4 years you go back.
Yeah.
And you want to leave your people. If you go back where they don't give you now you they come back, come meet your boys. I deal with your boys. You understand? You get power. You say me the jail, nobody but A+. They for put me for jail. Me too, I get wife, I get kiddies. Me they jail me just because they talk your matter. Me, I never talk your. I don't talk anything bad against you. Me self they talk say. Me self now they defend them. This man means they for jail us because he get power. They for jail us. You get power. You want me to jail even your friends. Now you dey bush they do galam. Say you go destroy our forest. See, today my friends call me Chibe. Yeah, say Charlie, the kidney issues we dey Ghana right now. Go to the hospitals.
Just too much.
Go to the hospitals. The kidney issues. The kidney issues. And this galamsey, it forms part. The chemicals that they put inside water. Yeah. So many villages, bro. If you campaign, you know where you are from.
Oh, yeah.
The places, the kind of water people drink,
yeah.
You will never stand up there and put chemical in that water. That is their only source of water. They don't have a choice. They have to drink it. You are not thinking about these people. All these chemicals that we are putting inside our water bottles, and people are drinking it. That's the same one we are using to plant the look. My friend called me today. Chibe said he prepared kokonte. He put it down. You know kokonte, you can prepare it, put it down. The next day you can eat. Yeah. This time we prepare kokonte and see. You put it down. By evening time, it's spoiled.
Yeah, it's spoiled because of the chemical on the ground.
The chemicals on the ground, the one we're using to grow a lot, and it will affect a lot of people. You are into illegal mining, destroying the forest. White people lived with us here for 400 years. They still left us forest. We still had forest. After 400 years, or after colonial, over how many 100 and something years colonial rule, taking all our gold and everything, we still had forest. Wontumi alone, within 8 years in power, you want to destroy all the forest. CID said, come and let's ask you questions. You say they have to add adult diaper because your stomach is doing you As in their room they shout, and no be stomach the warrior. If they MPP for Monsori. I see people say your mama is soft. Your mama, I watch them. I laugh. I am the softest person in Ghana. You don't know that man called Mama. I'm very look. You see Tampari when he became IGP. He said, Kwame, you have to be very careful because I don't want anybody to say because you are my junior brother, you are my friend. No, if there's a matter that I have to deal, I will use the law. So me, I was one of the people. I was happy when Dampari was no more. Now I can live my life because people say, hey, because his friend is IGP, because so I was restricted. And you know, you don't want. I don't even want to pick a phone and call and say, brah, no. I'm in Pesa.
Me the day he came to my 120,
and that's the same with your mama. How can I go and pick phone and say, yes, I see, please? I went and did it for as long as your mama. I have to comport myself. I have to live my life in a certain way because your mama won't save you. He will not save you.
And when they are pulling, the national is pulling left and right. John will not come there.
He will not save you. You are sitting. I said last week, were you not here when NIB came here to interview me? They came here to interview me. Yes, I just went and told them what I know. You NIB want to interview, say because you want to be chairman. Me, do I want to be chairman? NIB came here to interview me. Is it because I want to be chairman of any party? You don't create that impression that the NDC government is chasing you. What do they want from you? You were chairman, they beat you mercilessly. You have to resign.
You see, this is what I don't understand. In any civilized country, the whole MPP leadership.
You know, it's slap an MP. Someone to me slap MP. That MP have lost a sitting.
Eugene Entry, he wants to be General Secretary of that. Has anybody gone after him?
No.
A lot of MPP people have shown interest in occupying various positions in their contesting for various positions in their party. Is your mama going after them? We want the Exim Bank money. If it is true that you have taken the Exim Bank money, go and bring the money. You are there talking nonsense.
And then he said he took a car of 18. They found 18 cars in his house.
It is not that. NIB people. When you finish, come and let me also give you some information. Wontumi, all his Rolls Royce and all those cars. I'm going to give information on the duty. When you got power, you want to jail your brother. You people should go and take the duty for his, and the guy who did the duty for his G-Wagon, his Rolls Royce. I'm going to do, I have to do a letter, official letter to GRA to investigate how much he paid duty for those ones. And when you finish, go and tell John Mahama that he's the one that in 2000 and whatever, when you were buying those cars, was John Mahama there? He said, he died somebody $800. This man was sitting on TV with gold. Name was gold. MPP people today are going to talk about Sammy Jemfi. This man was sitting on TV with gold. You go and destroy our forest and come and plant it. Go and take gold, come and plant it. Ghana, in the assembly, MPP for Monsore, na monye party ni na nipa dodo no embe party ni yakono na nipa dodo mbe join ne party no ma Monsore nkodi Wontumi echi MPP for Monsore kodi Wontumi echi o didi no ma obi o didi no so obi anda onya problem say Monsore oboa. Don't go and follow them. Young people, we are trying to make it. Don't go and follow obi a we nya the problem we no abefro say kodi nechi oba aje no. So this can be briba. Oba no say sorry di nechi a ebi anas gold no ochicha no ono obe check kilos ne dia na wo de wuti fie we nya bi endi 8 years. Ade chinya sorry party ho donti party ho dia ye betu wani ye de ade be bo wuti nche wo hwehwe no ba bia wo hu no. Don't follow these guys. Ghana say na tie who say we nya problem pe no I start no person the politics at the time or the politics down one not just say or the whole issue has turned into a political issue. Not just as new I'm PP for on sorry oh. That man has never said MPP. I'm PP for on sorry oh. I'm PP for on sorry I'm sorry I'm going. Next time we nya power with the power and what the bed dream. Oh, Wontumi one and now I'm CID no. No me tell me office no. Member of Parliament for Goma Central. Na me ni person na home chain. Backing vocalist. Oh, to me office no. No the name CID no. To me office. Honorable member. I have peace. You have money, you don't have peace.
Yes, you go and contest.
Go and contest. And you Chairma would be so also we a guy. See from the contest parliamentary man go MPP tickets. Men go Ashanti region, go independent. But some chose a Ghana who you bia one no big cassava heart. Nobody. It's like they come to advise you. Hey, come MPD didn't say me no media no 4 years way. But say fee any school me didn't say ya can't do anything about it. Bye. CID for mon lucky Chairma Wontumi ma be bail no. So also Oscar Chairma Mahama. Mo man the bill be 10 billion 1,000. Oh pay. Money bill oh pay. This man, bro. Yeah. Your mama is president of Ghana. They still get Wontumi TV, Wontumi radio inside this country.
I'm not sure you are paying for TV.
If your mama no go heaven, they still inside. Because me, I be president. They did inaugurate that morning. No, I close Wontumi TV and radio. Close them down quick. Jim, the pressure we day you talk, you think say you think about you and your chairmanship. Fucking man.